Guys, it's time to run a monster truck, and this is possibly my oldest one right here. Probably 4 or 5 years old. Been around the block a few times. It's got Kyosho axles, a Barbarian chassis, 4-wheel steering. It's ancient. I'll show it to you on the table, and then we're going to get it outside and have some fun. Hope it still runs. Take a look. To start off with, this is a J Concepts F250 body, I believe. Like a 78 style. And now, here we are. It runs on two 2200 milliamp 3S batteries. These are the Helios. They are in parallel. So even though it's two 3S's, it's still 3S. The reason I had to do that was the amps. This pulls too much for one battery. But I didn't have the room really to put a full-size 3S in it. So this right here fits pretty well. Let me see, I made a skid plate out of some nylon. It's got a CPM rear sway bar. Kind of hobbled that together. It's got Techno short course truck shocks. It's got cheap Integy trailing arms for like a bomber. It has Kyosho Mad Force axles with the Freestyle 4-link kit. I made this right here because, well, these stock links just wouldn't hold up. It has the Offna U-joint axle shafts on both sides. It has the short on both sides as well. So, yeah, it's not as wide as what you would see here. It's got a Tekin, oh man, heck, I don't know, maybe a 1900 kV motor. 1/8 scale motor. It's got MIP drive shafts. To make these work, I had to machine down the input rather going into there. So, yeah, there's a little bit of a custom job on that. Let's see, what else does this thing have that's ancient? These wheels. Not sure what these wheels are. Maybe IMX. I've been told that these are a first gen Mad Force tire. So maybe. Now the servos. This right here really dates you back. It's got the V1 Turnigy 959 servos. These are awesome servos, but they're not quite up to today's standards. Not by a lot, not by much. And I'm going to power this up and show you what I mean by that here in just a few seconds. Oh yeah. The center, it has a Offna center diff in it. That's right, Offna. I hope I don't mess up that spur gear. Oh boy, okay, let's go get this thing powered up. I'm going to show you the awesomeness of these servos. Are you guys ready for these servos? Oh yeah, these are to keep the body alive. So, that's it. Now, when these servos came out years ago, man, they were awesome. I mean, just phenomenal. Reese wasn't around. We didn't have any real high-end servos that were affordable, and these were about $30. So, look at this. And I want to show you guys on the steering a little bit. My whole deal with the rear being up on the servo, I was even doing it back then, years ago. This way, the back end, I don't want the back end to turn as sharp as the front. It doesn't need to turn as sharp as the front. And it should still run good. Okay, time to power this old beast up. Take it outside, rip some donuts, and see if it survives. I gotta tell you guys, when I built this was pretty wild. I've got to tell you, it feels a little bit lame as compared to the LMT. But it's got me thinking, I wouldn't mind having a little full steer on the LMT. Look at that. Haha, got it. Yeah, it's definitely milder. Ha ha ha! Oh, I found a weed. Nice. I got it, dude. Sure. Ooh, I overshot it that time. Oh, it's going to be interesting if I can hit this correctly. Now, there's no way to land it smoothly coming down that way. It's too steep. But this may put me way out there a little bit. Let's see if I can hit it right. Ow, hard hit. Looks like it survived. Wow. All right, can I get this again? That was cool, I got that jump. Wow. All right, let's see if I can land it correctly this time. I was kind of off a little bit. It's so smooth when you come down the landing ramp. We're going to finish this off with just a little bit of fun right here. And maybe one more good solid jump. Ow! Oh, good run though. Broken top link. Yep, just simply pulled it apart. Ah, heck, that's all I'm going to break out of this for this run. Heck, I'm good with that. Well, guys, I got to give it credit. It took some big air. Now, the first time I hit the big jump coming down, I caught just the top of that, the down ramp, and it was super smooth. Then I missed it. Then I came back and I actually got like middle ways down on it. But the rear steer, that works pretty darn good. Really got me thinking about the LMT now. I would like to put rear steer on it, and that may have to happen. One thing's for sure, these ancient servos, they may be slow, but dude, they're tough. They are tough. The old V1s, they had a really good drivetrain in them. The gears were solid. Then they went to a slightly cheaper setup, and then they went cheaper and they went garbage. So yeah, can't recommend going out and getting a 959 V2 or V3 or whatever it is. It came out good and then just went to garbage. So anyway, don't do that. I'll try to link up what I have in here. I mean, it's got a Monster XESC, so those are modern, yeah. And I'll just find some links down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun getting this old beast out for a little bit of a drive. Maybe I need to break out the Clodbuster. That's a bouncy truck right there, let me tell you. But anyway, guys, check the description. There are affiliate links down there. AMain, eBay, Amazon, and Horizon. I'll try to find this. I'll probably link up the LMT since that's the most modern thing. I'll see if I can find an SMT, put that down there as well. So guys, check that description. Use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. And thank you all for watching. Guys, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell. So, in the description, there's a link to become a channel member. If you want to become a channel member, it's a very simple $2, $5, $10, or if you really got some money, $25 a month. It's a simple way to support the channel. So, get that, and I am doing monthly giveaways for members only, so you might want to consider it. So, guys, use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. Thank you all for watching.